Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our final video in our series, Building a Website Using the Zyro Website Builder. In this series we covered step by step exactly how to create a website using the new Zyro editor. In our previous videos we talked about building the header, building the footer, using the AI content tools to get our site filled with content, and we also talked about e-commerce as well. In today's video we are going to talk about launching our site. We're going to look at plans, it's step-by-step process that we need to do in order to launch our site successfully. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest web development tips and tutorial videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So we have our website, we've got all this content that we need here, and what we're going to do, we're just going to click on every single page, and it's a really good idea to make sure that you can see all of the pages in mobile mode, and just make sure that you can click on everything, that you can everything is responsive on mobile, and make any changes that way before you go live, and that way you don't miss out on anything that needs to be changed, and have a smooth and effective launch. So once you're ready to go live, what you want to do is click on this go live option here and just click on go live. So the first thing that you need to do is purchase a Zyro plan to publish your website. So we're going to choose a plan. So right now Zyro have 3 different plans. There's the you've got this business plan here, and this plan basically it comes in different periods. So it costs about $359 for the 2 years. However, there's currently a sale of 76% off. So if you were to go for the 2-year deal, you actually get it for $86, and they do these kind of plans discounts all the time, so make sure you keep an eye out from them as well. But the business plan will allow you to create 5 websites, and you'll have 5 custom domains. You'll have email marketing tools and live chat support as well. Zyro also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the website builder for risk-free. So to choose the right plan for you, consider your needs and budget. If you are creating a website similar, then the basic plan is a good option. If you need more features like the unlimited, they all have that option as well. But once you have selected a plan, you just need to create your account, choose your payment method, and then just view what you're buying and continue the payment, and then you'll have a plan set up as well. Zyro also offers e-commerce plus plan, and that includes 10 custom domains, a lower transaction fee, and bulk import products. And they also have a very basic plan as well that allows one website, but you only have 500 MB storage and 5 GB bandwidth. It's not really great for e-commerce websites. So Zyro hosting is using the Hostinger hosting, and we've covered Hostinger before. Their hosting is reliable and fast. They use a global network of servers to ensure that your website is always up and running and that it loads quickly for visitors all around the world. Their hosting also features, if you're using Zyro, also has features like free domain for 1 year when you sign up to the Zyro website builder plan. It also provides free SSL for all websites, which helps to protect your website and visitor data. Zyro's hosting plan includes unlimited bandwidth, so you don't need to worry about overage charges. And Zyro's customer support team is available 24/7 to help you with any hosting queries as well. It's a good hosting option for businesses of all sizes. It's reliable, it's fast and affordable. The uptime is a percentage that is really good. Some additional things to consider though when you are choosing a hosting provider is things like the uptime. You want to consider speed as well, as that's really important for user experience and SEO. Security and support are all things that's really important, and Hostinger have all of them as well. The other thing that you need to consider is your domain name. So if you don't have a domain purchase, you can purchase one through Hostinger, and you'll get a free domain if you sign up to one of their business plans, either the 2-year or the 1 year. So the domain name is really easy. If you don't have a domain name sorted, you just need to type in the domain name here and click on search. And if it's available, you can add it to cart. If it's not, they will give you other options that you can use. But right now, the one that we want is available, and we can add to cart. And it's really simple. You just need to pick your domain registration period. Hostinger has a domain registration period of up to 3 years. It just means then that you will need to make sure that you renew after the 3 years or whatever registration period that you choose. And then it's as simple as creating your account and just typing in your payment information and then just buying your domain. When you're choosing a domain name, there's a few things you should keep in mind. You want to make it relevant to your website. This will help visitors find your website and understand what it's about. Make it easy to remember and make it unique. Avoid using generic names or domain names that are too similar to other domain names. And you avoid trademarks and copyrighted terms. This could lead to a lot of legal problems if you don't. Some additional tips is to use keywords or phrases that are relevant to your website and that potential visitors are likely to search for. Using keywords in your domain name can help to improve your website's SEO. You also want to keep it short, as shorter domain names are easier to remember. Aim for a domain name that's no more than 15 characters long. Avoid hyphens, as that can make it more difficult to remember. And use a popular TLD. So the .com TLD is the most popular TLD in the world. If your desired domain name is not available with .com, you can try using things like .org, .net. If it's applicable, then .co.uk. But once you've chosen a domain name, register it and as soon as possible and connect it to your website. So that's it. That's a wrap on using Zyro to build out your website. Personally, I think Zyro is a really good option for creating a website, especially for beginners and small businesses. It's so easy to use, it can be affordable, and it includes a lot of features in those plans that you have selected, including e-commerce capabilities. It's very feature rich. Zyro's website building platform includes a variety of features that you need to create websites, such as the drag and drop editor, the responsive templates, and SEO tools. And Zyro uses SSL encryption to protect your website data as well, and the AI tools are really good, especially that content writer. Some cons, I would say, compared to something like Wix, there is limited customization options. There's a variety of templates, but you don't have a lot of customization options to change those templates. Some advanced features like custom coding and integration with third-party services is lacking. Now, this might not be a problem to you if you're not planning to use any custom coding or integrations, but if you are, then this might not be the platform for you. In terms of customer support, they do have 24/7 customer support for all of their customers. However, they're known to be a little bit slow to respond, so something to be aware of. But they do have an advanced knowledge base that you can always refer to if there are questions that you have that are maybe quite basic and can be found with one of their knowledge docs. But overall, I think it's a good option for creating your website, especially for beginners and small businesses. But if you need a highly customized website, you need access to advanced features, Zyro may not be the best choice for you. Some things that you want to consider is your budget. As mentioned before, their website builder plans are very affordable, so it's a good option on a tight budget. You need to consider your needs. If it's a highly customized website, again, you would need to consider a different option. Otherwise, a simple brochure website or even a basic e-commerce website, Zyro will be fine for you to use. And you need to consider your level of expertise. If you are a beginner with no coding knowledge, then Zyro is a good option. However, if you have coding knowledge and you need more control over the design and functionality of your website, then you may want to consider using a different website. I hope you enjoyed this video and this playlist. We have a bunch of other playlists coming up showing how to build websites using different platforms. So if you'd like to be part of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated when those come out. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone that you might think that might find it helpful. And you leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments as well. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next one.